my name is Dr. Patricia Ford, and my practice is focusing on nutrition, medical nutrition therapy, and I see ages 5 to 105. I've been at this for about 10 years in my private practice. I've been working with people for about 25 years when it comes to their health, body, food, weight, and eating. A lot of times people will ask me, what's your number one suggestion when it comes to what's the best diet? Or what's your number one suggestion when it comes to what's the best energy drink? Or just kind of questions that mimic what's the best. And I would say when I first started, I would come up with a food or a plan or, and that was from my limited experience or my anecdotal research. Then I started coming up with, well, what does the research say? And now I'll have an answer for you that I'm going to ask you a question next. What are you trying to achieve? What is it for? Because a lot of times what people want the best, it's what they want for their life or the specific goals they have for that day. And if anything I've learned with health is goals are fluid. They can carry a similar theme across your life, but a lot of times what we feel and what we're wanting to have shifts from like a token that we have, and that token might be blood glucose or weight management, but we're actually wanting to feel something or have something, and that shows up in a measurable way, especially when it comes to health. So I just went a little bit deeper, but a lot of times when people ask me, well, what is the best food? I will ask, well, what are they trying to achieve? What is the goal for? And maybe that helps kind of narrow down what you're looking for as well. Hope that helps.